Hey, let me put that down before I go any lower. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to start this video off with a giveaway. So same as last time, not the same product, but same way to enter. Let me know in the comment section you want to be entered. Follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and that will be how you enter. And then in the following video I will announce who won. And so I'm going to flip the camera here and show you guys what we're doing. Here is what I'm giving away. It is a Yeta motor. I believe it's a 22-inch light bar, perfect like the grill, behind the grill, or in a bumper, whatever you want to do with it. I've tested this in a previous video, and it's super bright, really bright. And I know a few buddies that have them as well, and they've been running them, and they've been doing great for a long time. So I'll put the link to this in the description. They're pretty cheap. Most of these light bars are the same. You know what I mean? So get your comments down. Let me know you want to be entered. Make sure you're following and subscribed, and I'll get you guys entered. And I want to try to do these every week or so, every couple weeks. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I want to keep doing this because you guys support the channel, and I want to show support back to you guys by doing these giveaways and giving you guys stuff. So yeah, 20K custom headlights will be being given away. I'm going to be working with retro diodes. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so right now I'm waiting on the tow truck to get here. My brother's car has been having a lot of issues. It's the Challenger, the orange Challenger has been on the channel. And so what we're doing, I'm waiting on the tow truck to come pick it up. We're driving it over to, well, I'm not driving it, he's going to be towing it over to Pure Fabrication in town here in Panama City. He's a buddy of mine. It's his shop. And we're going to be doing quite a bit of stuff to it. Fixing the flaws of the engine from the factory, and then adding a little more aggressive cam, cat deletes, all that stuff. So I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of that. But right now, we're going to go head out there and help the guy get it loaded up. And then we're going to be heading to the boat. There she goes. My brother's Challenger. It's having some issues. Needs getting all kinds of work done to it now. It's got a couple misfires. He had all that stuff looked at at the Dodge dealership. They said, you know, premature wear on the cam and lifters, and he brought it in, had some work done for $400, and they did nothing. All right, well, now we are gonna go head down to the boat. Got a few things to do. We're gonna go for a little drive on it, a little ride, and I gotta fix a few things. crazy. I'd be so nervous. Oh yeah, under the trailer? That's nothing, that's all like scum line, that'll come out. That's all that thing can take though, that forklift. See how bad the truck was squatting? It was like an inch from the tires hitting the fenders. I think it's a 15,000 pound forklift. Well, I think it might be a 10,000. You can see those back tires about to raise. As you guys seen, we had some fun out there in the bay. We raced our buddy in that 41 Seahunter. They're pretty close. I think he was full throttle, we were full throttle, and it was probably just a weight thing at that point. Whoever had more weight, which he probably did, but who knows. But yeah, that was pretty fun. On the way in the lagoon, we ended up hitting a seagull, which is not cool.
You can get it.